In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find best performing TikTok Shop stores on Kalodata. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kalodata. Click the official result and make sure the URL matches the real platform before you proceed. Once you're on the site, log into your account so you can access the full set of tools and data. Inside the dashboard, head straight to the Shop tab. It's one of the 7 core menus, and it's where you'll find a comprehensive list of high-performing TikTok Shop stores. Here, you'll typically see key metrics like revenue and growth trends, which give you a quick snapshot of how each shop is doing. Next, localize your view. Use the country filter at the top right, indicated by a flag icon, to switch between markets like the US, UK, or Indonesia. This ensures you're seeing top performers that are relevant to the region you care about, since rankings can vary widely by country. To surface leaders and fast risers, adjust the sorting. Sorting by total revenue highlights established, consistently strong shops, while sorting by sales growth helps you spot dark horse stores that are accelerating quickly. A quick tip: high growth over a short period can be noisy, so always pair this with a sensible time frame. Which brings us to time windows. Use the last 7, 30, or 90 days to tell different stories. 7 days shows what's trending right now. 30 days balances recency with stability, and 90 days reveals long-term consistency. Toggling between them helps you separate temporary spikes from sustained performance. If you're focused on a specific niche, switch to the Category tab. From there, drill down through 3 levels of subcategories to zero in on niche-specific top sellers. This is especially helpful when you already know your product lane and want to benchmark against the best in that space. To spot high-velocity niches, sort categories by revenue and look for sectors showing strong growth. These blue ocean areas can indicate demand with comparatively lower competition. Keep an eye on categories that rise across multiple time frames. That often signals durable momentum. You can also analyze competitors directly. Enter a TikTok handle to see detailed shop data, including best-selling products and the specific videos driving their sales. Study what's working, pricing, creative angles, and posting cadence to inform your own strategy. When you find shops worth tracking, use the Follow feature to add them to your monitoring list and keep an eye on them in the My Following section. Finally, check a shop's creator list to see which affiliates are sending the most traffic. That insight helps you understand their influencer playbook and spot creator partnerships worth exploring. And that's how to find the best performing TikTok Shop stores on Kalodata.